Hello to everybody, I'm Marco Redemagni and it is a pleasure and an honor for me to be able to invite you to the New Biotech World Symposium in Istanbul. In order to reach 100% success, I'll speak about the prosthetic design for get a complete success in any time loading. Achieving aesthetics with implant is a challenging and demanding procedure. To create implant restoration with harmonious gingival contour that emulate nature is a fusion of science and art. Understanding the biologic and physiologic limitations of the soft and hard tissues, together with the provisional restoration ideal shape, will facilitate predictability in simple to complex aesthetic situations. The aesthetic success of a prosthesis on implants is judged almost exclusively by its imperceptible integration with the adjacent elements and by its appearance as natural as possible. To achieve this objective, a correct treatment planning must be carried out, taking into consideration all the decisive parameters to obtain an ideal result. During the lecture, the key determinant factors for an optimal and lasting aesthetic solution of immediate load cases will be highlighted, from the study of the case to the surgical phase, with particular attention to the management of the prosthetic emergence profile through the conditioning of the soft tissue and its ideal occlusal plan up to the realization of the provisional and then definitive restoration. Particularly attention will be carried out to the occlusal plan design to preserve the bone from its reabsorption and both the implant, the prosthesis restoration and the prosthetic components from their fracture or other failure, according to what are the most current orientation of the scientific literature.